Well, hello again and welcome to another video. So where am I going today? Well, I'm actually heading into Trago Mills. Yes, Trago Mills, you'll know it. If you know it, you'll know it. Let's put it that way. This is the Trago at Heathfield, Newton Abbot, and we're going to check out what they've got for Christmas. Christmas decorations, Christmas trees, let's see what we can find. If you've never been here before, it's certainly worth, and it's an experience, and a good experience, I always like to say. We've got the restaurant block here, where you've got a nice restaurant or a better restaurant upstairs, and downstairs you've got more of a self-select. And where that triangle is there and that tower, that's the Trago that we're heading to. So let's see what we can find for Christmas. Oh, and while I think on, if you can drop me a subscribe, it costs you nothing and helps me enormously. And if you like this video, please do give it a like. And if you've been to Trago before, what's the best bargain you found? Let's see what we can find in the comments. Anyway, let's go find Christmas. For those who've been to Trago before, they've got their own little mini train here, and they are running a North Pole Express. So 22nd, 23rd of November, 29th to the 22nd of December. Good fun to take the kids on. Here we are, Trago itself. Let's head inside. And we've made it. Christmas is coming. You need to head to the garden centre. Follow the blow-up Santas. If it's Christmas lights you want, they have got loads. Oh, do you fancy a sitting elf? Look at this. A waving Santa. Or just stuff that's illuminated. Reindeers, trees, drop lights, they've got the works. And it's all outside there as well. You wanted Christmas trees? They've got lots. I should just say it's a weekday here, hence why it's not very busy. Lovely smell of the trees though. What are these, 5 foot, 6 foot? You can walk between them. Lovely, lovely. And they do smell very Christmassy as well. All bigger trees here. And there's the price. I don't know if you can read that. There you go, come on down and choose your Christmas tree. I should just add, I'm not being paid by Trago to advertise this in any way, shape or form. I just know people like coming to Trago for all their Christmas bits and pieces. So there you go, thank you for watching. As always, please drop me a subscribe, it costs you nothing but helps me enormously. And if you've been to Trago, what's the best Christmas thing you found at Trago? Drop something in the comments below, it'd be good to hear from you. Thank you.